that is very shocking for me, and I decided not to go with the Paytm. I make the decision that I'm not gonna join the Paytm. Hello everyone, welcome all to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna discuss the detailed interview experience of the Paytm for the senior software engineer role. So first I will discuss the how did I apply. Then second I will discuss the overview of the interview experience. Then third I'm gonna discuss the detailed interview experience for the each round of interview. So let's start. So पहले एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस के लिए मेनली ये वाली कॉल मुझे फॉर द पेटीएम के रिक्रूटर ने मुझे naukri.com से रीच आउट किया. उसने बोला कि आर यू लुकिंग फॉर द सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल और नॉट. तो वहाँ पर मुझे इन्विटेशन आया था फ्रॉम द रिक्रूटर ऑफ पेटीएम के रिक्रूटर से इन्विटेशन आने के बाद मैंने वहाँ से अप्लाई कर दिया फॉर द सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल एट पेटीएम में अप्लाई कर दिया. उसके बाद पेटीएम अप्लाई करने के बाद मेरी प्रोफाइल शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाती है. सो ये था एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस. Now let's talk about the overview of interview, like how many rounds were there. So there were 4 rounds of interview including the online assessment. First was the online assessment. I got the test link for the attempting the test on the HackerRank platform. Then second round was pure technical discussion था. आपने जो भी रिज्यूमे में सब मेंशन कर रखा था हर एक चीज पर डिस्कशन होगा, हर एक टेक्नोलॉजी पर वो डिस्कस करेगा इंटरव्यूअर. तो ये सेकंड राउंड था. देन थर्ड राउंड मेनली डीएसए पर होगा, प्योर डीएसए पर होगा, जिसमें 2 प्रॉब्लम पूछेगा एटलीस्ट मीडियम लेवल की. और फोर्थ राउंड विल बी द एचएम राउंड, जिसमें वो मेनली द इंटरव्यू गो इनटू द डेप्थ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट एंड ही विल डिस्कस द ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट एंड विल डिस्कस द टेक, विल डिस्कस द हाउ डू यू स्केल योर प्रोजेक्ट. नाउ ये हमने ओवरव्यू डिस्कस कर लिया. अब ओवरव्यू डिस्कस करने के बाद लेट्स गो इनटू द डेप्थ ऑफ ईच राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू. फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट. इन ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट देयर वर 3 सेक्शन. Online assessment was around 63 minute duration. I don't know why they have taken the weird minutes. In these 63 minutes, there were 3 sections. First section was the problem solving. The second section was for the data structure, and the third section was for the algorithm. I don't know why these 3 sections they have divided. All of them almost looks the similar for me. So first section में 2 questions थे. Second में DS वाले sections में 3 questions थे. और थर्ड सेक्शन में अगेन 3 क्वेश्चंस थे. ये सारे क्वेश्चन मोस्टली इजी टू मीडियम लेवल थे जो हमको सारे 63 मिनट में सॉल्व करने थे. आई डिड ऑल ऑफ देम. आई स्कोर्ड 100%. देन आई गॉट द कॉल फ्रॉम द रिक्रूटर दैट फीडबैक इज पॉजिटिव. आई मीन स्कोर इज वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड दे आर गोना विद द सेकंड राउंड. अब सेकंड राउंड की बात करते हैं. इन द सेकंड राउंड द इंटरव्यूअर वाज mainly interested in whatever I have put on the resume, whatever the technology I have put on the resume. He was more interested in that, like Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, Kafka, everything. He will go into the depth. Like you should know the answer of why. Like why did you decided to use the MySQL instead of MongoDB? Why did you decided to use Kafka instead of RabbitMQ? These are the question was there. So he was going into the depth of, like, it is not just like you are telling the concept, but you should know the reason why did you use this for this use case, why did you use this technology for this use case. This kind of the question were there. So it was around 1 hour discussion mainly on the technologies whatever I have put on the resume. अब ये जब मेरा सेकंड राउंड हो गया, सेकंड राउंड का फीडबैक पॉजिटिव आया, रिक्रूटर कॉल करता है, देन दे आर गोना विद द थर्ड राउंड. थर्ड राउंड में प्योर डीएसए था जिसमें 2 क्वेश्चन से पूछे थे. दोनों क्वेश्चन मेरे मोस्टली पहले के करे हुए थे. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज जंप गेम वाला, यू विल गेट on the lead code. That was the kind of also medium level. I have to solve that question. The second question was product. There was array of element, and I need to return the new array, new constructing array by using the original array. At each index you can have the product of left all the array element and right all the array elements. I think you will get the question on the lead code. Just you search on the product. So this was the second round. I did very well, and yeah, I solved all of them within time and discuss all the approaches, and we run the code with on the multiple cases, and yeah, I'm able to solve it within the time. Interviewer very happy about the solution. Then next day I got the call that the third round interview is very positive. They are gonna with the last round, final round, and in the final round mostly this was the HM round, hiring manager round. In this round interview start with the introduction about me, about the interviewer, then they tell a little bit about the team. Then he was more interested into our project, whatever the project I have written on the resume, the project of current company. He was mainly interested. तो हमने प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कशन किए, और प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कशन के बाद जितने भी कंपोनेंट थे, जितने भी फीचर हमने बनाए थे, वो सारे डिस्कस किए डेप्थ में. ही वाज डिस्कसिंग प्रोजेक्ट, ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट इन वेरी डेप्थ. सो दैट्स हाउ डिस्कशन वेंट ऑन. and mainly he was interested knowing the architecture of project, and let's say whatever the scale you have currently, but let's say you want to scale further, then how what are the action you're gonna take on those projects. This kind of the question he was asking. Some question he was throwing situation based behavior kind of the question and culture fit type questions, and that's how the HM round ended. And then from the recruiter I got the call that feedback is positive for the HM round and they are gonna with the offer. But guess what, after the 7 days before releasing the offer, I saw the news that laid off the 600 employees of Paytm.
Paytm has brought in some sort of pain to people. By the end of this year, about 1,000 of its employees have been let go of. They've been fired.
That is very shocking for me, and I decided not to go with the Paytm, even though I have already decided that I'm gonna join the Paytm. But after seeing the news, I was very scared. I made the decision that I'm not gonna join the Paytm. And the meanwhile, I got the emails also from the Paytm that this position, because of the Paytm internal restructuring, they are gonna hold this position. So whenever they open this position, they will go with the direct offer. They will not take the again interview. So that's what the whole process of the interview. For the DSA, again, I have, for the resource point of view, I have already told. For the DSA, you have to practice. There is a nothing shortcut. There is no shortcut about that. You have to just practice. Keep practicing. Do practice as much as you can. Try to cover all those pattern of the DSA, whatever the pattern you can cover. So this is all about the DSA and the project. Again, have very good understanding about your project, whatever the project you have mentioned on the resume. So this is the second thing. And the take, whatever the skills you have mentioned, you must know. Let's say you have mentioned the MySQL, you have mentioned the MongoDB. You should know the reason where to use which technology. You should know where to use MySQL, where to use MongoDB. So this kind of question, you should be ready to give the answer properly with the proper reason. So I mean to say, whatever the skills, whatever the take you are mentioning on the resume, you should know the deep understanding about that tech. So this is the third thing. We have discussed about the DSA. We have discussed the projects. We have discussed the skills, about the skills. And allow me some time. I will be creating the separate video for each technology, like from which resources, from which YouTube channel, from which blog, all those things I will be covering in separate video for each technology, like how do you prepare for that. Because everyone knows about Java, they know the concept, but when they go for the interview, they couldn't answer. They are not able to answer the properly with reason. So that's those things. For the interview preparation point of view, I will be sharing the resources for each technology in the separate video. But before that, please allow some time. So these are about the technology. And for the low level design, I didn't face much. But for the resources point of view, I have already told in the my EPM interview experience for the SD2 role that concept and coding. And once you are done with the playlist, then use the internet properly. Read the articles. There are so many articles. There are so many repositories on the system design and low level design skills. So these two resources will be the more than enough for the covering the low level design interview and preparing for the low level design interview. So this is for the low level design, and I found it, I would not say difficult, I would not say easy, I found it moderate for the Paytm, for the SSC role. I think I have covered everything, and yeah, so this was the whole interview process for the Paytm. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.